Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivy. Today, I will teach you how to tie a knot in hand sewing. It's very simple and beginner friendly. First, thread your needle like so. Wrap the thread around your index finger like so, and use your thumb to secure the thread on the index finger. Use your thumb to slide the thread and then pull. Just like that, you've made your knot. It is very simple and beginner friendly. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.